Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now before you say anything, yes, I know I look a little bit naked without my lashes on, but that is because today we're going to be trying out the new Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liners. Now these liners are supposed to take place of a liner and a lash glue and like combine it all together and just save you some time and frustration. So you and I together are going to find out if these are really worth the hype or if they are the beauty community's newest scam. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm really excited to try out these new Cloud Magic Liners because not only are they a product from Lavender Boutique, which is ran by my friend Marley, aka Lavender Beauty, so I'm really excited to support her, but I'm stoked because I've only heard good things about this specific product from this specific brand. So I'm hoping that I'm not like let down, which I really don't think I will be. So pretty much with these Cloud Magic Liners, they are infusing or combining a liquid liner with a lash adhesive. So you don't technically have to put lash glue on your lashes anymore. You just apply your liner like you normally would, and then I guess it gets a little bit sticky, and then you apply your lashes to it, and then you're done. So hopefully it's that easy and that simple. But there are 5 colors that you can choose from. I'm just going to make sure I say them right. There are Gagged, which is black, which I have. There's Lavender, which is purple, I also have. And then there's BG, which is blue. There's Puss, which is pink. And then there's Crystal, which is clear. So again, I have Gagged right here, and I have Lavender right here. So I got these two because they're $20 a piece, which I don't think is bad, especially if you're going to be saving a lot of time and stress. But I wanted to just get 2 right off the bat just to really kind of test them out first. So black and purple I think are ones that I would typically use. So just taking them out of the package. I love all her packaging. All the packaging is so beautiful. It's very on brand. The component, like, this is stunning. Look how beautiful that is. Marley puts so much time and energy and effort into her brand, and I'm living for it. So the Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liner. Now this is in the shade, which one is this one? Gagged. So let's just take it out, and thankfully it's a felt tip because that's what I like. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand and show you guys what it looks like. Very black. Love that. So let's get Lavender out, which again is the purple. Get this bad boy to shake. And let's do this on the back of my hand. Very purple. Now they're very wet, so take that as you will. But again, they're supposed to get kind of sticky and then they like dry a little bit and then you put your lashes on it. So like, can you see? I don't know, how do I get you to see this? I don't think you can really see it. You can't see it a lot, but it's drying quickly and it is very sticky. Now when I do that, it rips off. So that kind of tells you that it is sticky. But obviously once you put your lashes on, you're not going to be like stabbing your lashes on it and like going like this all day, so obviously it shouldn't come off. But yeah, that's drying really quickly, so let me just wipe this off and then let's get to applying some of the liner and see if it really works. Okay, so for this look, because I do want to, you know, finish it off all nicely, I am going to be going in with the black. Yeah, the black, because I just feel like that's normal. So I'm excited but like nervous, like okay, like I'm not a liner expert, but like it's on. Let me kind of give it a few seconds. I'm gonna see on their website real quick if there's any information about how long it's supposed to dry. No, I don't see anything. I just see what colors there are and the pricing, so that's fine. I'm just gonna give it a quick couple, I only have one eye on. Let's just give it a quick couple seconds, and then while I'm letting it dry a little bit longer, I'm gonna take out my lashes. I'm using the Pure X Raw Beauty Christie. Now, if you're like, Cody, why aren't you not using Lavender Boutique lashes? Well, although they're gorgeous, I can't personally use them like on camera just because, here I am like fumbling with all my stuff because I'm a professional. I can't use them on camera just because they're too big and too flared out and dramatic for my little eyes. So on camera you won't see anything. Off camera I can use them for like my single eye looks, but that is why. So Pure X Raw Beauty Christie. Okay, don't get too excited yet. Don't get too excited yet. Okay, so I always put them on now with those and then I adjust them with these ones. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is revolutionary. Hold on, y'all. Don't get too excited yet. Don't get too excited yet. We still got some stuff to critique. Maybe. They're on. I almost just like choked on my own spit. I'm so excited. Look at that. They're perfect. They're perfect. Marley. This is revolutionary, Marley. This just changed my whole life. Like, ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. I'm literally genuinely so excited. I don't think I've been so excited for a product almost ever. Like it actually does what it says it's gonna do, and like, look. I'm not gonna like yank on it because like nobody does that and that's not realistic. Did this come off in the corner? No, it's just the way it looks. Okay. Yeah, like I'm not gonna sit here and like rip them off because nobody would do that. But yeah, there's definitely, they're on, like, they're on. They're on. Okay, so I'm actually gonna switch to the purple for this eye. Okay, so let's give that a couple seconds to dry, just like the last one, and get a little tacky. Okay, so this eye should be dry or tacky, so let's throw these on. I'm obsessed. Like, they stick immediately. And I took the purple a little bit higher just so you could also see it too while the lashes were on though. Yeah, they're on. I'm obsessed, like, love it, love it. Okay, they're on. I'm obsessed. Let me just put that lid back on. Okay, so just my final thoughts on these real quick. The Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liner Adhesive combo are absolutely a hit for me. I kind of expected them to work just because it's a Lavender Boutique product and they care about the quality of their products a lot. But I also was just like a smidgen skeptical because I'm like, how could something be that easy and that convenient? But yeah, they work. Like it went right on. They're very pigmented. They dry within like 20, 30 seconds and you just plop your lashes right on and you're done. And what's nice about it is because typically with lash glue, even though it's supposed to dry clear, it like never does, and it's that cloudy kind of blue and it kind of messes up the look overall. But with this, it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm obsessed. This one obviously has purple, so that's why it looks a little bit different, but this one has the black and it looks fantastic. But yeah, for $20, that's a steal, like just for the convenience alone. So definitely a hit for me. I'm so excited about this product. I'm going to be using this quite a lot in the future. So like, props to Lavender Boutique for coming out with such an amazing product. But that's all I think you guys pretty much need to know about the new Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liners. So if you guys want to get some, definitely head over to LvNDRBEAUTY.com. Make sure you're following them on all social media. Also be following Lavender Black on social media as well. She's the owner of Lavender Boutique. So I think that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.